Your biggest flex. I can see.
For chest, we can either
What core exercise are we doing? Hello and welcome to episode 2. I'm on my way to the gym to shoot with my friend Munmun on a Sunday again, and I'm excited to shoot with her. I'm Kanika and this is Munmun. I am shooting with Munmun today. She's a Pilates coach. She's really amazing. I've been very inspired by her.
you still remember that relaxing class that she was like I'm a Pilates instructor, but I do strength training as well. And yoga, I love doing yoga. It's like a combination really works for me. So yeah, let's see what is your.
I have no plan today. We're just going to go impromptu. Okay, so what's your favorite exercise? Let's start with that.
Even in mainstream,
Yeah.
I like chest pulls.
Let's do upper body. Upper body is when your fitness journey, like what have you been doing all these years? So I just met you like recently.
Started pretty late in terms. I started 40. Before that, I was like,
Look at that.
before that, I used to go off and on to the gym, and I used to be one of those people telling my trainer, this obviously as a like joke. If I pay you, can you do those reps for me? Like so against it.
How did you learn Pilates then?
So I went to US, I did my course there. I was there for 5 months, I did my Pilates. And actually Pilates changed the mindset.
Yeah.
So after doing Pilates, I got more interested in doing weight training, and now
What is your biggest flex? I can see. I can see.
that is the first thing I check. I can't not have.
I've been working, I've been obsessed with upper body. So all my attention all these years were upper body. Now I started focusing on because now my insecurity with my upper body has gone down. So now I'm no views.
Yeah, 8 to 10.
Yeah, did it. Sunday workout करा रही हूँ मैं मुनमुन को. She's not happy.
Not doing the positives.
I'm very supportive. Whenever you want to pick it down, you can.
No, I'm doing That's the biggest flex. So why you don't like upper body figure?
I'm going to keep it down and then try because if I throw 12.5 on my face, then it's not going to be flex anymore.
So
I have been, okay, it's not the best example to give, but I have been following a lot of Instagram fitness influencers, and the one thing that I've been obsessed with are their arms. And I'm just like, I want these arms. I'm working in progress, but yeah,
I like this I like this cut.
I love this cut.
It took me so long to get there. I realized when you're lifting heavy or your weight, rather than frowning, if you smile, it makes your face look better.
Makes you serious
And also it's pretty positive.
and you save yourself some money because then you don't have to get Botox.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so you try it. What's your level?
It's been the whole focus is me, myself,
Work out and fitness and
I know,
like all the unhealthy things.
and the creating competition. Yeah, my love life is pretty much. You know, really what happened is I went for this night out with my friend, and it was this girl who was dancing, and obviously I was in the high, nice and right. So it's like all energy. I got so attracted towards her, and we started dancing together. And my friend is like telling me, you know, tonight either him or you taking her. And also, it's very important to have friends who has similar kind of interest.
Yeah.
Because if you have a friend who is far away from anything to do with health and fitness, you can't hang out much. And there's always this gap would be there because they are the thing which, yeah, it is not your priority. So it's very important to have at least basic value system aligned. Like for me,
I have friends who balance things. So I mean, I can't force them to come work out with me all the time, but at least they show interest and they come for a couple of classes and then met some great people here.
same here.
Actually, when I'm feeling, I've gotten all my friends moved from other cities. I'm just thinking in my head, who are these people?
Oh my god, that's another level.
You challenged me with one exercise that you think is extremely. I know you can because you have like all these weird exercises that you have made, then I can challenge you with one.
Let's discuss the challenge behind the camera and then
I think I know.
if it is something to do with anything to do with pull-ups, I'm not taking that challenge.
I saw your videos. You've been trying to do pull-ups.
That's cheating. That's called cheating.
No, that's me dedicatedly seeing your content. You must be happy.
And now I have a challenge for you. Like, first you get into a plank and lift your right hand, left leg, and left hand and right hand, and just throw it in the air. I think that's the only challenge.
That I can't do. Wow.
What should I say? Very positive. Very positive.
See, this is what gym has done to me. I'm
Different person.
invincible. Okay, hand. See, now come down slow. Come down slow. So that's what you have to keep practicing. I think chin-ups maybe I use.
Chin-up.
Exactly. That's right.
Oh my god, I feel so
Tall.
I feel so privileged.
Yeah, you support me. You have given me a challenge.
Okay, I'll give you a challenge. Single arm push-up. Yeah, what else? You saw my.
Okay, I can try.
I think you'll be able to do.
I don't think so.
I think I'm very good.
I'm a positive person, so I'm gonna try.
Oh my god. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Perfect. That's it. Oh,
I barely did anything. Oh my god.
just being on single arm itself is a challenge.
Can you do a clap push-up?
I'm not listening. I can hear whatever you're saying.
No, I also can't do it, but I'm just wondering.
Okay, maybe try. Maybe sometime we'll reach there. Because I'm a little careful with my
correct
shoulder.
That's how I get injured.
Yeah.
Now you see, and she's the smartest.
You should take calculated risks. Because you have to.
Start with 7.5 then.
No, I'm doing it 5.
Huh?
What do you think? Like strong bicep. What did you do? Yeah, what can you do? A lot of things are coming to my mind, but I give it to myself. I don't talk about going carrying grocery bags and other lot of other things which can be done. So I'm just holding it. My thoughts.
I think strong biceps you can like
See something
I
interesting.
also know how to punch, right? So I don't want to go to that level. I just want to show my hands and scare people. So yeah, just a threat. That will come here. Oh, I think you've done like about 50.
50?
It's the body part that you're working on right now. Like are you working on? I know you have glutes.
I'm working on my chin-ups. Because that has been my goal, my fear as well. Because I had a cervical slip disc long time back. So for me, anything to do with back was more of a mental fear,
Yeah.
more than actually doing the work. So for me, this has been chin-ups has been going on for quite some time. So I'm taking it very slow and steady. But yeah, now I'm closer to my.
Yeah.
So also part of fitness is also listening to your body, right? That is also wisdom.
Yeah.
So it's not only what you do, when to stop, when to rest.
I find myself extremely lucky that I love working out. Like it's a rare thing to have. People who don't enjoy working out.
It was me was one of those people. I was one of those people.
I was
one of
convinced yourself, but I see
Because
it like
there will be a wake up call, and for me, thankfully, it was pretty early.
Yeah.
I got my slip disc. I was working out, but that was a wake up call for me.
Right.
And I think in today's time with internet and social platform, so much of information, so much of mind, your body, it's all aligned, right? If you work out, the kind of thought process you will have, very different. Because I have seen both the side, and since as I was telling you, I started my fitness so late, so I've seen whole of my 30s.
Yeah.
Like the way I should think was so different compared to what I think now. And it's nothing to brag about. But the shift is very important. I give the credit to my workout. Core, yeah, legs to core, remains constant. So bring your leg up and stretch one hand towards you. And one, quick one, two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why is it 6, 7, 8. Now raise your neck. Raise your neck. Oh, you're not supposed to stop. Now do the leg, same thing with the leg, and look at the back elbow. 2. Keep your shoulder 5, 6. What is 7? Sister. Now keep your neck braced, leg up to the ceiling. Look at your belly. Now draw the leg till the time you can keep your back flat. So go up that. Keep lifting from the chest. Yeah, neck is very tight. Solid. I will. So it's fun.
It's so fun.
And I really like the chat.
Yeah, the hurry happening. I love looking chat.
Yeah.
But no more.
And I think we can have a very healthy competition.
Yeah.
And they kind of lift each other up.
Yeah.
And motivate. I don't know. Let's not make it a gender thing, but women are more fun.
Look at us. We had so much fun today.